Today we're going to change this burned lamps, lights, bulbs. And here, this one is fine. If you're going to see here, it's fine, but there is one in the corner that burned. So let's change that. And this is called the ceiling halogen lamp or bulb. Okay, so if you're going to see, this one is the ceiling, and it's a good thing that my fingers and my nails are long, so you can do your fingers like this, but you know it's really tack. So me, I have a long nail, so I can do like this, so at least it came down a little bit. So but it's slowly because it can damage your hand. Otherwise, if you don't have nails, long nails like me, you just push this one, just push like that and do like this, but still slowly because this is sharp. Yes, and then do it also again in another side, and then just try to slowly pull it. There you go. So now I have to remove this one, so I need to use my other hand. So if you're going to see, I removed the bulb already. So this is the style, like that. So this one is now there's something I want to show you, is this one inside that holds the bulb. This is the one that holds the bulb, this metal here. So you just try and then remove the bulb like this, and then ready to change. So you just insert it again. There you go. But you have to check like this. You see, if you there's still gap here, it should fit this one, so you try to fit it good. So there, flat, it should be flat like that. So I'm going to show you on how to return it back. You're going to notice there is 1, 2, 3 here. Alright, so we're going to return this back by putting this one there. Alright, so see the bulb, it's functioning, but you have to notice inside there is this black thing, and there is this one. So you, even you insert, try to estimate that it should go inside along with that, so that it will hold. Yes. So this one, you can adjust what direction you want. If you want it there, or you want it here, like that, or you want it flat. So there, perfect. It lit up. Yes.